Good news mga kachikot! I'm John Tiba, your showroom specialist here at Hyundai Cainta. Ngayon, i-walk around ko kayo dito sa aming showroom. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong mga available units natin na pwede natin i-release as soon as possible. This one, ito nasa likod ko, this is the Hyundai Staria 9-seater na hybrid. This is a premium for the SRP, 2,999,000. We can release it ASAP. Ngayon, meron pa tayong mga units dito. Tara! This one naman is Hyundai Stargazer GL. This is entry level po ng Stargazer. 7-seater na po siya. Meron kaming offer, 0 down payment, then as low as 23,000 monthly, maiuwi mo na yung Stargazer. Then we give 10,000 fuel voucher. Tara po. This one naman po, this is the Stargazer X Premium. This is the top of the line. Naka 0 down payment kami. Kahit yung pearl white natin, wala tayong additional. And then we give 10,000 fuel voucher for this one. So this is top of the line. As you can see, meron na rin siyang roof rail. And naka-2-tone na rin po siya. This one naman po, this is Stargazer na previous model, top of the line, naka 0 down payment kami, then ang monthly niya 28,000. Kung gusto mo namang mas mababa, may offer kami 30% promo down, nasa 48,000 lang yung cash out mo, then we give 20,000 na fuel voucher for this one naman po. Kung naghahanap ka naman po ng 5-seater, I recommend this one po. This is the Hyundai Venue GL Automatic. SRP po niya, 898. Then, naka 0 down payment po kami. Ang monthly po is 18,000 lang po. All in na po yun. This one naman po, this is Staria Premium 7-seater diesel po. Nag-iisa lang po to. Pwede natin i-release as soon as possible. Kung meron kayo approval sa ibang dealership or other brand, pwede natin ilipat 0 down payment. And then, all in na yun. Meron na siyang kasamang insurance, LTO registration, and other freebies po. And the last one po, meron tayo dito, pang negosyo package po. This is H100 dual aircon with 21-seater. And this one po, 1,398,000. Naka 0 down payment, 28,000. Pwede natin i-release to as soon as possible. Kung meron kayo approval sa ibang dealership or other brand, message lang po. Thank you po. I'm John Tibay, your showroom specialist. Kindly message lang po. Magre-reply po agad. Thank you.